In an effort to slow the spread of COVID-19, this past Wednesday, Governor Baker issued an order requiring that face masks or cloth face coverings be worn in public places where social distancing is not possible. This applies to both indoor and outdoor spaces. Exceptions include children under the age of 2 and those who are unable to wear a mask or face covering due to a medical condition. In support of this order, Dr. Michael Rocha recently visited Dartmouth Community Media to further explain the importance of wearing either a face mask or cloth face covering.
I'm Dr. Michael Rocha. I'm a cardiologist at Hawthorne Medical Associates, and I'm here today to talk to you about the new cloth mask orders that have been made by Governor Baker. Masks are a very important tool as they prevent both outgoing droplets and incoming droplets from being inhaled or exhaled. So these masks are to benefit not just the person that may be in contact with somebody either coughing or sneezing, but it also prevents, if someone is coughing or sneezing, the spread of those droplets. And as the weather gets better, masks are going to be important because people are going to want to try to go out, and you're not always able to socially distance 6 feet, which is really what the masks have been designed, or at least that the governor has suggested, that when you're in situations where you cannot use social distancing at 6 feet, that you want to make sure that you're wearing a mask, such places such as the pharmacies, the supermarkets, or other places. And again, for people out there, even when you're out there walking, sometimes people are in close contact, and you may want to use a mask at other times, and we should make sure that there's no stigma surrounding people wearing a mask. The important thing is to keep in mind is that you want to treat a mask like everything else. You don't want to touch it. Think of the mask as having paint on the outside, so you wouldn't take the mask off and put it down on a surface, and you also wouldn't be touching it, and you want to try to not move it. And if once you've used it, you really want to make sure that you clean it or wash it. That way, most detergents and washing it will get rid of the virus, and that's the important thing. So this is not something that's going to replace the other things that we have in place, but is another tool to cut down on the spread. And the reason that the masks are important is because we still don't know everybody that has the virus. And because we don't know everyone that has it, and there's a lot of asymptomatic people out there, it's to protect really everybody in the unknown situation of who may have the virus. So, we all have an opportunity to do our part. And, I think that these cloth masks can make a big difference. And it will also be important as we start to transition back towards more social interaction that we use these masks. I think acceptance and an understanding that if people want to wear masks at all times, we should not be stigmatizing those people, because this is an important thing, and making sure that we still don't congregate in large groups, because unfortunately this virus has not left the area. All the things that we do as a community are very important to cut down the spread of the disease and make sure that we save lives. And that's really what it's all about, is saving lives. Thank you, everybody. Be well, be safe, use your mask, wash your hands, and we will get through this together.
If you're a senior in need of a face covering, please contact the Council on Aging. If you're a veteran in need of a face covering, please contact the Veteran Service Agent. If you have any questions and/or concerns regarding Governor Baker's order, please send us an email at covid19@dartmouthpd.org. As town departments continue to work with limited staff, if you call an individual department with a question and do not reach a live associate, please leave a message and someone will get back to you as soon as possible. With summer quickly approaching, no decision has yet been made on the issuance of beach stickers. Though it is one of the most important days of the year, please remember to practice social distancing if you are getting together with family this weekend to celebrate Mother's Day. Have a great weekend, everyone, and to all you moms out there, happy Mother's Day.